Hello, friends and followers. Hope all of you are doing well and enjoying the day. As a young and alluring influencer, I take pleasure in sharing captivating and revealing pictures that not only showcase my beauty, but also radiate positivity and energy, and ignite a sense of excitement and arousal among my male followers. I thrive on the idea of providing a source of relaxation and rejuvenation for my male followers. I believe in the power of sensuality to alleviate stress and invigorate the spirit, and through my posts, and aim to provide a tantalizing escape for my audience. By showcasing my beauty and allure in enticing photographs, I offer them a momentary reprieve from the pressures and escape from stresses of their daily lives, allowing them to indulge in fantasies and desires, and immerse themselves in moments of pure bliss and freshness. It brings me satisfaction to know that my content serves as a form of digital oasis, where men can momentarily forget their worries and immerse themselves in my fabulous beauty and charms. My content also serves in form of indulgence, enabling my followers to feel refreshed and invigorated by the allure of my presence. So guys, enjoy it, and keep loving the princess. Please feel free to share your true feelings in the comments. Love you, and thank you. Keep loving and supporting my YouTube channel and Instagram influencer account. Thank you with loads of love and best wishes.